Ever found yourself pondering about the intricacies of SEO? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the fascinating world of search engine optimization, or as it's commonly known, SEO. Simply put, SEO is the art and science of optimizing your digital content, so search engines like Google love to show it as a top result for searches of certain keywords. It's like the secret sauce that makes your content stand out in the sea of information on the internet. Now, why is SEO significant in digital marketing? Imagine having a shop in a crowded marketplace. You'd want your shop to be easily visible to passers-by, right? That's precisely what SEO does for your website. It enhances your online visibility, helping you stand out in the digital marketplace. But how does SEO increase website traffic? Well, when your website appears higher on search engine results, it tends to attract more clicks. More clicks often translate into increased website traffic, and voila, you've got more visitors checking out what you have to offer. In essence, SEO is a strategic approach that helps you reach the right people at the right time. It's like having a digital billboard that's strategically placed on the internet highway. Except this billboard isn't just about bright lights and catchy slogans. It's about delivering the right information to the right people at the right time. Moreover, SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. You have to keep updating your SEO strategy to keep up with the ever-changing algorithms of search engines. It's like a game of chess, where you have to stay one step ahead to win. So what's the takeaway here? SEO is far more than just a technical tool. It's an integral part of digital marketing that can significantly enhance your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they seek, the words they use, and the type of content they wish to consume. SEO is not just a buzzword. It's a crucial digital marketing strategy that can skyrocket your online presence. Now that we've got a grasp on what SEO is, let's delve into how it actually works. Picture SEO as an intricate machine with many moving parts, all working harmoniously to achieve one goal: to make your website more visible to search engines and their users. In the center of this machine is the search engine itself. Now, you might be wondering, how does a search engine determine which site pops up first? Well, it's all about crawling and indexing. Crawling is the process where search engines send out a team of robots, also known as spiders or crawlers, to find new and updated content. This content can range from web pages, images, PDFs to videos. The crawlers detect links within these pages and then follow these links, essentially crawling around the web. Next, we have indexing. After the crawlers have discovered a page, the search engine renders or interprets it, just like a browser does. It takes note of key signals, from keywords to website freshness, and stores them in the search engine's index. This index is a massive database of all the content these crawlers have found and deemed good enough to serve up to searchers. The importance of keywords and search queries can't be overstated here. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines. They are the bridge between the user's query and the content on your site. If your content includes the keywords people are using in their searches, your site has a better chance of being seen by the right audience. But remember, it's not about stuffing your content with keywords. Search engines are smart, and they value relevance and context. Your content needs to be helpful and engaging, answering the user's query in a comprehensive and meaningful way. Clearly, SEO is not magic, but a well-orchestrated symphony of algorithms and keywords. It's about understanding what information people are seeking online, the answers they are looking for, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. If you know this, you're well on your way to optimizing your website for search engine success. With a basic understanding of SEO in place, it's time to delve into some specifics. First up, on-page SEO. On-page SEO is all about optimizing the elements within your website to make it more attractive to search engines. It's like preparing your shop for customers. You want it to be inviting, easy to navigate, and stocked with what they're looking for. In the digital marketing world, this translates to having a well-structured website with high-quality content and strategically placed keywords. Now let's talk about some of these key elements. First, meta tags. These are snippets of text that describe a page's content but aren't visible on the page itself. Instead, they live in the page's code and help search engines understand what your page is all about. Think of meta tags as the invisible hands guiding search engines towards your content. Then we have title tags. These are the clickable headlines that appear in search engine results. They're like the title of a book, giving a quick preview of what the page is about. Crafting unique, descriptive title tags is crucial for attracting users and search engines alike. Next, keyword placement. This is where your knowledge of what your audience is searching for comes into play. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines. By incorporating these terms into your content, you're signaling to search engines that your page is relevant to those searches. But remember, it's not just about stuffing your page with keywords. They need to be placed strategically and naturally within your content. Finally, content quality. This might seem obvious, but it's worth emphasizing. Search engines favor websites that provide valuable content to users. This means well-written, original, and useful information that answers users' questions and satisfies their needs. These are just a few of the many elements that make up on-page SEO, but they're a good starting point for anyone looking to improve their website's search engine ranking. Remember, it's not just about getting people to your site, but also providing them with a positive experience once they're there. A well-optimized web page is your first step towards winning the SEO game. We've unraveled the mysteries of on-page SEO. Now let's step into the world of off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, simply put, is all about your online reputation. It's the work you do outside your website to improve its credibility and ranking in search engine results. Picture it as the backstage crew in a theater production. They might be out of sight, but their role is crucial in delivering a stellar performance. One of the key components of off-page SEO is backlinks, also known as inbound links. These are links from other websites that lead to your site. Search engines view these as votes of confidence, an endorsement if you will. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears and the higher it ranks. But remember, it's not just about the number of backlinks, it's also about their quality. A few good links from reputable sites can be worth more than dozens from low-quality sources. Next, let's touch on social signals. These are interactions like likes, shares, and comments on social media that can influence your site's search engine ranking. While the direct impact of social signals on your rankings is a topic of debate among SEO experts, there's no denying that a strong social media presence can boost your online visibility, drive traffic to your site, and enhance your reputation. The final piece of off-page SEO we'll discuss is online reputation management. This involves monitoring and influencing how your business is perceived online. It's about fostering positive reviews, promptly addressing negative feedback, and creating content that showcases your expertise and trustworthiness. A strong online reputation not only makes you more appealing to customers, but also to search engines that aim to provide users with the best and most relevant results. Off-page SEO might seem challenging, but it's a vital piece of the SEO puzzle. It's the behind-the-scenes work that, when done right, can propel your website to the spotlight, putting it in front of the right audience at the right time. And isn't that the ultimate goal of SEO? Armed with knowledge about on-page and off-page SEO, you might be wondering, how do I apply all this to my website? Well, let's dive right into it. First things first, keyword research. This is the cornerstone of SEO. It's about understanding what your potential customers are searching for online, then tailoring your content to match those searches. There's a multitude of tools you can use, both free and paid, that can help you identify popular keywords in your niche. Remember, it's not just about volume, but also relevance and competition. Next, let's talk about quality content creation. This can't be stressed enough. Content is king. It's what attracts visitors to your website and keeps them there. Your content should be engaging, informative, and add value to your audience. And of course, it should be well optimized with your researched keywords. But remember, your content should be written for humans first, search engines second. Now, onto link building. This is a crucial part of off-page SEO. When reputable sites link back to your website, It sends a signal to search engines that your content is credible and valuable. There are many ways to build links, from guest posting to social media sharing, but the golden rule is always quality over quantity. Lastly, regular SEO audits. This is about regularly checking your website and its content to ensure it's optimized for SEO. This includes checking for broken links, analyzing your site's speed, ensuring it's mobile-friendly, and much more. Regular audits not only help you maintain your SEO efforts, but also identify areas that need improvement. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and patience are key. It's about continually optimizing your website, creating quality content, building links, and conducting regular audits. It might seem daunting, but with time and effort, you'll see your website climb the rankings, increase its visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic. So keep at it, and soon you'll be mastering SEO for your website.